All
Yeah.
right.
Thank you.
So, okay, with our short recap or short review,
Mm,
we are still on the lesson all about modals of advice.
yes.
Okay, still we are in the modals of advice. And when we say modals of advice, this is an advice that, okay, that we give or that we say that for our perception, it is a good
Mm,
idea. Okay.
yes.
Okay, so we need to give advice.
Mm,
So there are three types of models of advice, and these are the should, ought to, and had better.
mm,
Okay,
okay.
should, this is the most common model of advice, and it is used in the three kinds of sentences, such as in question form, in
Mm,
a negative form, and in affirmative sentence.
mm,
Okay,
okay.
so among the three models of advice, we also have had better. Okay,
Mm,
had better. This is the strongest model of advice.
Aiko.
And it is called strongest because it implies that if you don't follow this advice, or if you don't follow someone who gives you advice, okay, something bad will happen.
Mm,
Okay, so it can
okay.
be only used with the two kinds of sentences, such as negative and affirmative sentences.
Mm,
And the last type or kind of modals of advice is ought to.
how to.
Okay, so it is the least common, or we rarely use this one.
Mm,
Okay, and it is only used for affirmative sentence.
mm,
Okay,
yes.
so we have again, we have the pattern, the models of advice had better, should, or ought to, plus the base form of the verb.
Mm,
Okay,
okay.
so we are done with our most of the questions for the models of advice. And we are now almost done with these questions. So we only have
Mm,
five more questions left.
five.
Yes,
Um,
five more questions. I mean,
four.
four.
Yes.
Four.
Yeah.
Okay, four. All right, so four questions left. And this time, let's have here the first
Mm,
question for this evening. Can you please read?
okay. What are something parents had better teach their children?
Okay, what are some things parents had better teach their children?
Mm, um, parents parents had better teach
Okay, parents had better
teach to homework.
teach their children okay, parents had better teach their children to be respectful or to respect others.
Mm,
To
homework.
respect others.
Oh,
Sorry, homework?
yes.
That's another term of teach.
Ah,
Okay, so let's include
yes,
that one later.
yes,
Okay, so parents had better teach their children to their homework.
yes.
Okay,
Mm, thank you.
to their homework. Okay, to their homework. Okay, so yes, if children or if parents find that their children are having a hard time with their homework or with their assignment, yes, they also teach them.
Mm,
That's another term. But another, aside from teaching
mm,
them about the homework, what else?
um,
Parents had better
yes.
teach their children. So aside from helping the children to their homework, what else? To respect others.
Respect others.
Yes, respect.
Mm.
Do you know what respect means?
Oh, I know.
Okay.
Yes.
So parents should
Mm.
teach or had better teach their
Mm.
children to respect others. Okay?
Mm. Okay.
Because if you teach your children or on how to respect,
Mm.
then they know how to respect others as well.
Ah.
Okay?
Okay.
Respectful.
Mm.
Being respectful.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, so next.
Mm.
Next question.
Yes. What's something that isn't uh low or should to be?
Okay, something that is not a law, okay, or not in a rule, but we should follow.
Mm.
Anything that is not a law,
Mm.
okay, not a law, but we should follow this advice.
Mm. Mm. Hmm. Exam.
Uh, okay, did you find this question difficult?
Hmm? Oh
Okay,
yes.
did you find this question difficult?
Yes.
Okay, I will give you an example, so you better prepare yourself.
Yeah.
Example,
Mm.
you should,
Mm.
okay, you should obey
Mm.
your parents.
Mm.
Okay, you should obey your parents. You should follow their instructions because their instructions or their rules are for your own sake, for your own good. So this is an example that this is not in a law,
Mm.
but we should follow this advice. Okay, not in a law,
Mm.
but
Okay.
we should follow this advice. So aside from you should obey your parents, what else? Isn't a
Mm.
law, but we should follow.
Mm. Um.
Okay, another, you should
Mm.
finish
Mm.
your studies.
Mm.
Okay, it is not in the law, okay, that
Mm.
you should finish your studies, okay? But we should
Mm.
finish, okay?
Mm.
Though it is not in the law, but it is necessary, it
Mm.
is important for us to finish our studies because there
Mm.
are many reasons that we need to finish our studies.
Mm.
Okay? So, how about you? Can you give your own?
Mm. Mm.
Okay, in your workplace, anything that that is not a law but you do, not in a law, but
Mm.
you think it's good for you to do it. In your
Mm.
workplace example.
Mm. Mm.
It is in your law and in your workplace to come early at work.
Mm. Mm.
Gion, it is in
Yes.
your workplace or it is in a law in your workplace to come early?
Yes.
Okay. Anything
Oh,
aside from that?
um, company.
Yes. In your
Mm,
workplace, anything that you can give an example. It's either in your own, in your family, in your workplace,
mm,
in your house, anything.
mm. Oh, I have no
Another,
one.
I will give you another example, okay?
Okay,
Another example, please listen.
guess.
You should, okay, you should not or you shouldn't fight with your
Mm,
colleagues or your coworkers.
mm,
It's not, is it in the law in your workplace to fight in your, not to fight in your colleagues?
mm, mm.
Is it in the law?
Um, no.
Okay. So though it is not in the law, but we obey it. Okay? We
Okay.
follow it. We apply it. Do you have any example? I
Mm,
already gave you three.
okay.
How about you?
Um,
You should obey
you
your
should,
parents. You should
you should,
finish your studies.
you
Yes, you
should,
should.
um, throw the trash in the trash can.
Okay, you should throw your garbage
Yes.
properly.
Mm,
Okay, very good. So that is something, or that is something that is not a law,
mm,
but we need to apply it. We need to apply it in ourselves for our own sake. So you should throw
mm,
your garbage
mm,
on the trash bin or trash can on it or on its proper place.
mm.
Okay, should throw your
Yes.
garbage. Very good. So you can able to give example for this question. So thank you so much for that. Okay, next. Let's now move on to the second to the last, which is what's one thing
Mm,
everyone ought to study? So why do you think everyone is ought to study, as eager to study?
mm,
For
mm,
you, what was your reason why you finish your studies? Why you ought to finish the study?
mm, mm. Study. Mm, mm, mm. How to um behavior.
It- This is just my example, okay? I want you to give your own. Everyone should also study the behavior of a person. Okay, so it something that we also study is the behavior of a person. Because as we all know, each person or every individual has its own behavior, different behavior, unique
Behavior.
individualities. Do you know what
What?
behavior means?
Yes. Mm.
Okay, so that is something that we ought to study, the behavior of person.
Mm.
Okay, what else aside from the behavior of a person? We ought to study about
Everyone ought to study
everyone ought to study.
respectful.
Okay, to be respectful, to respect others. Everyone, actually, we don't need to study
Mm.
about being respectful. It should be applied, it should be earned.
Mm.
Okay, so anyways, that's your example. Let's try that one. Everyone around the clock. Everyone ought to study about study the. How about using simple sentences?
Um.
The English subject.
Mm.
Okay,
Like
because
English.
yes, English subject. Because right now we are studying English.
English. Yes.
Okay, so everyone ought to study
Mm.
the English subject. Okay, on how to use sentences, proper sentences in the English.
Mm.
Okay, how to use the correct verb,
Mm.
correct subject, okay, the correct position in the English language. Everyone ought to study the English rules, okay, or English lesson.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.